Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you Poppolive Tutorial for Beginners. You know, a lot of people have heard about Poppolive but don't know what and how to use the app. So I'm going to be showing you from how to download and install Poppolive app and how to create an account down to how to use the app to earn points and meet new friends as well, and also go live. So let's get right into the video. First thing first, if you don't have the app, go to your Play Store for Android users and go to your app stores for iPhone users. Open up your Play Store because I am an Android user. Just click on the search and search for Poppolive right there. If you don't have the app, you just have to click on download and install, and it's going to install this app. But for me, I have it already, so I'll click on open. So now this is how the app looks like. So first thing is you are going to have to create an account. How are you going to do that? You can either sign in with your Google or your phone number, right? And you're going to have to fill in some questions like name and date of birth. That's just the thing you need. Well, as you can see, I already have an account. That's why I can't create another one. So let's log in. So before you do that, make sure you have to tick on this I have read and agreed, the Poppolive themes and privacy policy. That's the first thing you need to do. Then you can now create your account and fill in your name, gender and date of birth. Yeah, so now I'm going to log in with my Google. So I have to choose the account, the email for that, not this one, sorry. Yes, so we have to wait for that to load up. Yeah, so as you can see now, I'm in my Poppolive account. So this is how Poppolive looks like in full, as you can see. So first thing you have to do, if you just create an account on Poppolive, you have to click down on your screen here, right here. Click on that. Right, this is going to show your profile. You understand? It's going to show your profile. So you have to update to complete the verification for your Poppolive account, whereby you have to do a face authentication and have to add some other pictures to your Poppolive, right, and also fill in the information, right, like your interest tags and a short note about you. Yeah, so that's how it works on Poppolive. It's not hard, it's very simple. So the next thing we are going to look at is how and what does Poppolive do. It's actually a live stream platform where you can stream on live and also watch people go live and also play matches on Poppolive app. So as you can see right here, all these people here are either chatting or singing or having a party on live, which you can simply join. So how are you going to join? So all you need to do is you just have to click on anybody's live stream you want to join, as you can see on my screen. So this person here is actually chatting on live. Yeah, and one thing you need to know is that on Poppolive you can earn points that you can convert to dollar, which you can transfer to your local banks as well. Yes, so some people go live. If you go live for like 3 hours and the rest of them you earn some points, you understand? So now let me show you how to go live on Poppo. So you can see this live right here. You can see that it's clearly written right there. Click on it and I'm going to go live. As you can see right now, I've went live already. So right here, how are you going to edit your live? You can just edit it by actually choosing what you want to do. So you have to enter the content, as you can see right there. You either click on chatting, singing, dancing, or make friends with talent and music, funny stories. You have to choose the particular one you are going for. So after you have chosen something you want to do on the live stream, you can now click on go live when you're ready. And another thing is they have the one of party, where you can actually show party on live stream. Yeah, so like you can throw parties and play music and the rest of them, just like the way you throw a party in real life. You understand? So after this, now you know how to go live on Poppolive. So I'm going to show you the way it works again, how to perform taxes, the rest of that. So how do you complete taxes to earn points on Poppolive? You can see the award right here. You have to click on it, right, and it's going to load up. So once it's loaded up, here is where all the taxes are. Any taxes you actually complete, you are going to earn, right? So how are you going to do this? It's very simple. This is the one of live, where you can simply go live and earn a lot of points and coins, anyone it's being called. So you can see. So maybe I click on this first one right here. Sorry, this one right here. You will see that it says daily live duration 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. Once I click on go now, I've started the tax, so I have to stay on live for 60 minutes in order to earn this particular coin. So this is actually how to complete a tax and earn points on Poppolive. So you can also do that for party as well, and you can see the amount of coins you are going to earn on that, and also the PK mission and the activities as well. So with this, you can just earn a lot of points, and you can now earn. Yeah. So how are you going to actually recharge coins to your Poppolive app? Yeah, in order to gift people and the rest of that. So you can see coins right here. You can see I have 0 coins right here. So you have to click on that, then wait for it to load up. Yes, as you can see right here is where you have to top up your coins in case it's not enough to give somebody on Poppolive app. So what you need to do, you have to tap on top up, right, click on that and wait for it to load up. So here is where you get to choose the amount of coins and amount you want to recharge. As you can see here, 700 coins is about $0.10, which is $10 approximately, and 3,500 coins going for $50. Yes, so anyone you pick, you click on recharge. So I'll be going for, you have to recharge, which is you have to add your card to your Poppolive app for there to be able to redoct, and you're going to get recharged. Yes, you're going to get recharged, right? That's how to do that there. And here is where you get to withdraw. When you have your coins, you want to withdraw it, you just have to be sure you have a lot of coins. I think it's there about 10,000 coins before you be able to withdraw it from Poppolive. So you just have to click on withdraw, and you're going to withdraw money straight to your local bank or anyhow. Yeah, so people can actually gift you on Poppolive live stream. Yes, so you can be on live and somebody might just decide to gift you something big, which is going to be converted to coins and later converted to money, as you all know. So how are you going to follow content creators on Poppolive? So as you can see here, following, I don't have anybody I'm following on my Poppolive app. All I need to do is, as you can see, explore right here. Just pick anybody and you can now click on the person's name right on top of the screen right there and click on plus. Right here, I've successfully followed the person, this particular person, now on Poppolive. So let's go back. You can actually choose to turn on your notification bell to get more notifications from your Poppolive. You can see right here, it just show that this person is now my friend and I'm following the person on Poppolive. And on Poppolive as well, you can also check for nearby people around you. You can locate them and have a good time with them. We go live on Poppo with them as well. So you can see right here, Pop nearby. Yeah. So you will have to click on that. Yes. So before you can actually get access to nearby people, you have to turn on your location, right? So you can see requesting location access. So once I turn on my location, it's going to open up and I'm going to see streamers like me on Poppo, like people around me. So let's try that out. So I'm going to turn on my location now and click on open. You can see. So let's wait for that. You can see right here, so currently I'm in Nigeria and now I've seen a lot of people around Nigeria that are streaming on Poppolive app. You can see, so it's lots easier, and you can also explore to make new friends on Poppolive, and you can also search by countries you want to mingle around with. So this is how it works on Poppolive. Pretty simple and easy, right? So this is how it works. Go to your setting. Now I'm going to be showing you about the settings. Click on your profile right there and you can see on your screen, you can see this setting icon right there. You can see here is where you get to know about the account and the rest of that. So you can see account and security right here. This is where your phone number is, your email, your Google, which is your Gmail, your Facebook account. You can also buy that to your Poppolive and also your Instagram account. And here too is where you can actually cancel this account, which is when you want to delete the account. Maybe you just got tired of the account and you just want to delete the account from Poppolive. This is where you can actually do that. Just click on it and you have to read through and click on confirm delete, and it's going to delete. So it's going to take like 30 days before it can finally delete. Yes, and now the next thing is about the new message notification. Let's click on that. So here you have to turn on all this notification on, like live room opening alerts. When somebody or your friend is coming live on Poppo app, you are going to get that alert, and message notification switch as well. Someone, your friend, sent you a message, you got to turn that on, or maybe you want a notification sound, turn that on, and a vibration as well. Mutual friends, my following, and strangers as well. So this is how this one works right here. You can see the blacklist. Blacklist is where you see all the block lists, all the people you have blocked on Poppolive. So this is where you are going to see this, and you can see the join agency right there. Once you click on join as an agency, you can become an agency where you thereby refer people to your Poppolive, and you get a certain commission on that as well. Now you can see the language setting, change it to whatever language you want, maybe Portuguese or French, Spanish, and the rest of that. And this is security password, where you get to change and modify your password on Poppolive. So we have come to the end of this video. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.